Hello, you're welcome. Let's see how we can solve for the value of x here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have x to the power of 18. Then I will transpose the 3 to the power of 2x to the other side like this. So now from here, the next thing I'm going to do is to introduce logarithm to the both sides. So I'm going to be introducing ln to the both side of the equation. I have ln 3 to the power of 2x. So, and you know from where? From the law of logarithm, when you have log of b to the power of a. So this will be a log what? Log b. So now we're going to apply that on this what? We're going to apply it here. Understood? So we're going to have 18 ln of then equals 2x ln of 3. Now the next thing we're going to do is that we should divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 18x. 18 what? 18x. Okay. So we have 18, we cancel 18. So we have with ln of x over what? Over x. Then equals. Now we see that x, we cancel x. Then also we're going to have ln of what? Ln of 3 over. So 2 here. 1, 2 in 18. So we're going to have 9. So we're going to have ln of 3 over what? Over 9. So now from here, the next thing we're going to do is that we can see we are having, or we have xx here. So I want to have the same thing here too. All right, so that we're going to have the same thing. If you have the same thing there, we just compare. I mean, we compare the two sides of the equation, then we get the value of x. All right. So now we can see that we're going to do what? We're going to multiply both sides by from the right hand side. So I have ln of x over x equals, from the left hand side, if I multiply both sides by 3, I mean both denominator and denominator by what? By 3. Alright. So this is what? This is multiplication. Okay. So we're going to have what? Moving on. You see that we're going to have ln of x over x equals, now here, the 3 here, this 3 will become the power of 3 here. That's from the law of indices, if you remember. So we're going to have what? We're going to have ln of 3 to the power of 3 divided by 3 times 9, that will give us 27. Ln of x over x will be equals to ln of 27, because 3 to the power of 3 will give us 27, and divided by 27. Understood? So now from there, you can now see that we have xx and we have 27. So which is telling us that by comparison, by what? By comparison. Okay. So we can have what? We can have x to be what? X to be 27. Alright. Now let's check whether the solution we have is right or not. We have 27. Check. 27 to the power of 18 minus 3 to multiply by 20 or 27. So will this give us 0? So we have 27 to the power of 18 minus, and here we can have 3 to the power of 2, then multiply by 3 times what? 3 times 9 here, then equals 0. So from here I can have 27 to the power of 18 minus this, taking the 3 first, then I put 2 times 9, we're going to have 18, then equals 0. So we're going to have 27 to the power of 18 minus, so 3 to the power of 3 here will give us 27, then to the power of 18, then we have what? We have 0. So 27 to the power of 18 minus 27 to the power of 18, this will give us 0, right, equals 0. So which is telling us that the solution s equals 27 is our solution. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.